Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to see a subject hybrid and electrical vehicle technology. From the subject, today we are going to see a topic on induction motor drives. Though the cost of these drives is more than DC drive, still the use of induction motor is increasing and they are replacing DC motors because of their advantages. While discussing the top, we will look through the starting, braking and speed control of the induction motor. Starting of induction motors. We know that the induction motor is a self-starting, that is when the supply is given to the motor, it starts to rotate without any external help. When an induction motor is started, there is no resistance initially. There is a tendency of huge current flow through the rotor circuit, which may damage the circuit permanently. To overcome this problem, various methods have been introduced to limit the starting current. Some of the methods are star-delta starter, auto transformer starter, reactor starter, saturable reactor starter, part winding starter, AC voltage controller starter. Rotor resistance starter is used for starting of the wound rotor motor. The induction motor drives are normally designed to run on delta connection, but during this starting the supply is given from the star connection because the starter voltage and the current reduced by 1/3 times of the delta connection. When the motor reaches a steady state speed, the connection changes from the star to delta. Another type of starting method of induction motor is the auto transformer starting. Since we know that the torque is proportional to the square of the voltage, by the auto transformer, the starting voltage and current are reduced to overcome the problem of overheating due to the high current flow. During starting, the ratio of transformer is set in a way that the starting current does not exceed the safe limit. Once the induction motor starts running and reaches a steady flow value, the auto transformer is disconnected from the supply. The circuit is given here for an induction motor. There is a starter winding and auto transformer. Another method of starting is soft starting using saturable reactor drivers. In this method, high reactance is introduced into a circuit so that the starting torque is close to the zero. Now the reactance is reduced smoothly during the starting and starting current increases and the torque also varies stepwise. In this method, the motor starts without any jerk and the acceleration is smooth. That's why it is called a soft start also. During the starting, the impedance is kept very high, so the motor operates as a single phase motor. The speed torque characteristics at the time is similar to the curve A in the graph. Where a speed attains a steady state value, the impedance is removed completely. At the time, the curve is similar to B, which is naturally characteristics of the machine. The starting method is also without any jerk and the operation is very smooth. Part winding start method is a special for squirrel cage induction motor. In this method, two or more starter windings are connected in parallel. When the motor starts, any one of the windings is connected at a result and the starter impedance is increased and the starting current is reduced. When the steady state speed is secured by a motor, both the windings are connected. It is a circuit for squirrel cage induction motor. We can see the supplies 1, 2 and the supply from the CBS and the CBM. Thank you.